Las Vegas. You know my work. It's time to play a game. Do you think you have what it takes to escape not just one room, but my entire factory? Let the games begin.
This isn't your typical escape room. From the moment you pull into the parking lot, you know the show is beginning.
You sit and watch a Saw film, and you're here and the film is there. This gives you a chance to actually feel like you're part of one. That's what makes this experience different than any other experience that I've had. Not only is it frightening, but you need to be smart. I have no doubt Saw fans would find this place just captivating.
We actually built this thing using a ride control system. So it's really similar to like a roller coaster system that won't allow two groups to bump. The room can actually tell where each specific group is, not only in the attraction, but also in each individual room.
The official Saw Escape Las Vegas.